A gleaming white shell, sculpted with subtle curves and vents, slides away to reveal the PlayStation 5's intricate core. Dust-catching channels line the interior, guiding airflow and protecting vital electronics, a testament to Sony's focus on longevity and performance. On-screen text appears, "Outer shell, directs air and traps dust for cleaner internals." A slow pan reveals the massive cooling fan, dominating the upper chamber. Its size, paired with optimized blade geometry, ensures quiet and efficient cooling. The camera glides along the airflow path, where heat is whisked away from the system. Overcooling system, large fan, custom airflow for stable temperatures and silent operation. Beneath, the heatsink sprawls across the motherboard, its complex fins and heat pipes channeling energy away from the central APU. Liquid metal shimmers in the light, a rare, advanced thermal interface chosen for its superior conductivity. Text overlay, heatsink in liquid metal, maximize heat transfer, keeping the APU cool under pressure. The motherboard emerges, dense with chips and capacitors, orchestrating power and performance. Nearby, the power supply nestles in its compartment, isolated for safety and stability. Storage modules and the expansion slot sit ready for future upgrades. Each placement is deliberate, minimizing heat buildup and signal interference. As the camera slowly pulls back, a final caption lingers: "One small change here prevents a massive overheating problem."